how much should you actually spend on a cycling computer with navigation? You know, people often find themselves satisfied with cheaper models, while others are left disappointed by more expensive options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Garmin Edge 540. The Garmin Edge 540 is a compact GPS cycling computer that caught my eye with its impressive features and a price tag of $303.05. If you want advanced navigation and performance tracking, this is worth a serious look. The Edge 540 is designed for cyclists who need reliable navigation and performance insights. With a battery life of up to 26 hours and 42 hours in battery saver mode, you can go on those long rides without worrying about your device dying. The multi-band GNSS technology ensures that you stay on course, even in challenging environments. Plus, the Climb Pro Ascent Planner helps you gauge your climbing efforts, which is crucial for planning your rides effectively. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep for casual cyclists. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about cycling and want precision and features, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an avid cyclist looking for detailed performance insights and navigation. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional rides and don't need all the bells and whistles. Now, if the price of the Edge 540 is a concern for you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer. The CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer is an affordable option priced at just $34.99, making it an enticing choice for budget-minded cyclists. If you want reliable data without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This device stands out with its dynamic GPS positioning that provides accurate ride tracking, displaying essential data like distance and altitude. With a battery life of around 50 hours, you can use it for multiple rides without needing to recharge. The automatic backlight is a nice touch, allowing you to read data clearly in different lighting conditions. Plus, with an impressive rating of 4.3 stars from over 2,200 reviews, it's clear that many riders appreciate its functionality. However, some users noted that the interface can be a little tricky to navigate at first. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the value for money you get is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're a casual cyclist looking for an affordable yet functional cycling computer. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a high-end device. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more sophistication. Product number 3, Garmin Edge 840. Next up is the Garmin Edge 840, priced at $424.99. This one really caught my attention with its combination of advanced features and a user-friendly interface. If you want a top-tier cycling computer with both touchscreen and button controls, this is worth a serious look. The Edge 840 offers everything you need for navigation and training. With a battery life of 26 hours and advanced multi-band GNSS technology, you can expect accurate positioning in challenging environments. The daily suggested workouts and personalized coaching features adapt to your training load, making it perfect for serious cyclists. Plus, its rating of 4.6 stars from over 355 reviews showcases how well it performs in real-world use. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, the features really shine and elevate your cycling experience. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated cyclist looking for that extra edge in training and navigation. Skip this one if you're just getting started with cycling or prefer a simpler device. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly but still feature-rich, the next product might surprise you. Product number 4, Geoid CC600. The Geoid CC600 is priced at $49.99, making it one of the more affordable options on our list. If you want colorful navigation and decent features without a hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. With a vibrant 2.4-inch color screen and a battery life of 24 hours, the CC600 provides a refreshing experience. It supports multi-satellite positioning for quick and accurate GPS tracking, and the turn reminders ensure you stay on course, which is crucial for navigation during long rides. The user-friendly interface and solid 4.2-star rating from nearly 973 reviews indicate that it meets the needs of many cyclists. However, some users have reported that the screen can be difficult to read in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting a lot of features that can enhance your cycling experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly cycling computer with solid navigation capabilities. Skip this one if you require advanced training features or extensive data analysis. Now, if you want to see what a premium option looks like, the next one on my list might just blow your mind. Product number 5, Garmin Edge 1050. Finally, we have the Garmin Edge 1050 priced at $699.99. This premium cycling computer truly stands out with its vivid color touchscreen and advanced features. If you want the best of the best for your cycling adventures, this is worth a serious look. With a battery life of up to 60 hours in battery saver mode, the Edge 1050 is designed for long rides. It offers road hazard alerts, seamless course creation directly on the device, and in-ride messaging with live locations. The built-in speaker even allows you to hear navigation prompts clearly. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from 279 reviews, it's evident that serious cyclists love this device. Some users have mentioned the high price as a downside. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive cyclist wanting the latest technology to enhance your performance. Skip this one if you're just a casual rider and don't need all the advanced features. In summary, whether you're looking for budget options like the CYC Plus and Geoid or premium devices like the Garmin Edge series, there's a cycling computer that fits your needs. Each one offers unique features tailored to different types of cyclists. Make sure to choose the one that aligns best with your cycling goals.